Hello everyone, this is Teacher Stevens, and today in this video we are gonna talk about TPR. I'm going to perform the different total physical response used in teaching online. So are you ready? Let's start! I am going to show you some tips on how to use TPR, the different kinds of TPR, and some examples. Are you ready? Because I am ready. Come on now, let's go! TPR means total physical response. It is the coordination of your language to your physical movements. It is a connection between your body and your mind. It is very popular for beginners and young learners so that they can retain and have a better understanding of the lesson. Some examples that we have, let's say if you're going to confirm the equipment, you can say cup your hands and do like this. Can you hear me? Can you hear me better? Can you see me? Can you see me? Good job! Using TPR can make your lesson exciting and fun. For example, you can high five, or you can compliment them by saying, good job, or you can clap your hands. Okay, so I have given you some of the tips and examples of TPR. Now, how can we use them for our lessons? There are actually two types of TPR. The first one is Instructional TPR. So when do we use Instructional TPR? For example, we were giving instructions to our class or to our students. We would say, please encircle your answer. Let's do that again. So class, encircle your answer. That is correct. Or you can say, put a check on your answer if you are correct. Again, put check on your answer if you are correct. Great job! Good job, class! The second type that we have is Educational TPR, or what we call Teaching and Explaining TPR. So what is it? We have actually 5 steps. So the first step is we need to prepare a word that we need to teach them. For example, the word we teach them is tiger. Tiger, roar. Again, tiger, roar. Tiger. The second step is teaching modeling. So what will you do? Student, look at me. I am a tiger, roar. Tiger, roar. So what I did was use the word and use my hands as if I am a tiger and roar, and that sounded like a tiger. So that is teaching modeling. Step number 3 is student modeling. So after the teacher has modeled the word, you will ask the students to do it. So I will say, I am a tiger, roar. Now you do it. I want to see you be a tiger. Go ahead, do it now. Good job! Now after the student modeling, what we will say is, I will do it, and then after you will do it. So let's begin. Roar, tiger, roar. Now you do it. Let me see you do it. Roar, tiger. Wow! Good job! You are really great. And that is our 4th step, which is student participation. The last step, step number 5, which is the repetition. So what we will do is we will repeat the word and the action so that our student will retain whatever lesson we are giving him. So let's start. Tiger, tiger, tiger. Roar, roar, roar. Now you do it. Tiger, tiger, tiger. Roar, roar, roar. Correct. Good job! You did very well. Clap your hands. So that is it, guys. These are the TPR that you can use while teaching kids online. And this can help your class to be more exciting and more fun. Good luck! Bye-bye!